Here's how to turn off call recording on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Call recording on iPhone is available only in certain regions and iOS versions. If you don't see this option, it may not be supported in your country. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Phone. Look for Call Recording and tap it. Toggle Call Recording off. Your iPhone will no longer record phone calls. If a call is currently being recorded, look for the recording indicator on the call screen. Tap Stop Recording to end it immediately. You can also restrict call recording. Go to Settings, Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Disable call recording if the option is available. Call recording laws vary by country. Always make sure you have permission before recording calls. If the option is missing, update iOS or check your region settings. Some carriers don't support it. And that's it. That's how you turn off call recording on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.